Good evening, folks. Here we go again with another gorgeous, beautiful street appearance detective unit. 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 105,000 miles and only 253 idle hours. This vehicle came out of the city of Irvine, California. It is a California vehicle, so there is no rust on this body whatsoever. Original charcoal gray from the department, or should I say from the factory. Paint looks great, super sharp, very shiny. It does have very few minor little scratches and about 3 door dings that I'll go ahead and point out to you a little bit later. Tinted windows from the department. It appears to be like a medium shade on the rear only. No tint on the front windows. No tint on the front windows. Vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, has been completely serviced, and it doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. Folks, for those of you that ask me, is the car turnkey ready? Yes, it is. All you're gonna need is to take it to the gas station and your DMV. Get it registered to your name. Folks, once again, and in immaculate running conditions, 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor Detective Unit, also known as a street appearance package, from the city of Irvine, California. Of course, I already said that. Okay, I just want to make sure we all know where the car came from. No spotlights. Detective units do not have that. I do have clear lights and lenses on the front. Chrome grille looks good. It's not peeling or bubbling up at all. Folks, I do have one scratch that does stand out over here, which is this one right here on the driver's side front fender. It goes from here to here. Okay, I do have one not very noticeable door ding somewhere here. I can't really see it, guys, I'm sorry. And I have some more over here. You can see the little door ding right there, and somewhere here. Again, they're not very noticeable, guys, but it's my job to let you know what's going on. That way you can't tell me I didn't tell you so, or I forgot to mention it in my on my video. No holes anywhere on the body. No holes anywhere in the body. I do have one little tiny door ding, whatever it was, somewhere here as well. The camera doesn't even catch it, but guys, it is there, okay? And before I forget, I do have some cutouts on the tent there from the emergency lighting that the vehicle had. All right, let's go inside now. And folks, as you can see, I do have a matching interior. Old seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpet flooring, matching floor mats, all in great shape. Rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Folks, for those of you guys that always send me text messages or comments about the rear axle ratio on this one, this is gonna be a Zebra 5327 open. Electric seating, driver's side seat, passenger side seat are very comfortable. Let's get inside here. It's kind of chilly out here in California lately. I do have a nice looking dash, and I do have 2 little tiny holes here from a possible microphone hanger. Working cruise control. Honk does work. Aftermarket alarm is in place. However, the vehicle did come with no fob, but I believe if you take it to like a Best Buy's, they can go ahead and get you up and running and activate everything again for you. Okay, let's fire her up. Let's clean this up here for us. Folks, as you can see, I do have 104,000 miles. Rounded that up to 105. I am responsible for 61 miles driven so far. There will be more. 253 idle hours. Stereo does work. Folks, just so you know, Down here, this is where the ashtray assembly is. Somebody at the auction decided to take my ashtray insert. However, do not worry, I have one on the way. So I should have it here sometime next week, either Monday or Tuesday. It will be in place, don't worry, it will be complete. It will not look like this. Just letting you know. I'll go ahead and fix it up like there was nothing ever there. Here it is. Red LED, white LED. Dome lights do work. Let's go to the trunk of the vehicle. Let's go inside so you guys can see what we got to work with. Folks, once again, beautiful paint, charcoal gray foam factory. Folks, here's the trunk. Super nice and clean, not beat. And you're gonna see the spare tire missing here. When I first bought the car, there was nothing in place. However, I ordered a full spare wheel for this particular car, and it's gonna have the 17-inch wheel with the Goodyear RSA tire. Floor jack and hold down pin will be in place. Don't worry, the car will be complete. Once again, folks, they clean everything out. No spare tire when I got the car at the auction, but I got one coming for you. Everything does work. Once again, the vehicle is turnkey ready, guys. If you're looking for a great looking car, she's super sharp. She looks beautiful going down the road, and she is almost perfect for the right customer. Of course, you're gonna see little things here and there, but you know what? The new owner can do whatever he wants or she wants with it. Okay, let's go under the hood. We'll go through the services together and what I done to the vehicle. Folks, as you can see the engine, the car has been completely detailed inside and out. There she is. Extremely smooth vehicle, running vehicle. Very quiet, yet very strong. She's got a clean, clear title. There's nothing wrong with this bad boy whatsoever, guys. I'm telling you, she is gorgeous. All right, here we go, starting right to left. Folks, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced. I do have fresh new engine oil, 520, full synthetic. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, and guys, this is where it gets better. I have 8 new Denso ignition coils. I went all out in this particular vehicle. And wait, there is more. Transmission service was done. Okay. Air conditioner is nice and cold. I do have a new battery. Okay. Folks, and when I had the transmission service, I told my transmission guy to go ahead and install an external transmission cooler to the vehicle. Why did I do that? Because I want to take care of this particular car. And personally, I think the Revolutions are better with that external transmission cooler installed to the vehicle, because it runs directly and it works directly to the transmission. Those two work together. That is it. It doesn't have to go to that condenser. So A+ to have, believe me. Folks, and as you can see, this is new. This vehicle does have the green or the blue fail-safe silicone hoses. They still have the sticker, which tells me those are new, so they're here. They're also on the heater core hoses over there, and they are gonna be down there as well. They're down there. You can see them, but they're there. There you go. Folks, those are new. I'm guessing the department decided to put those on this vehicle to take care of it. And this is why I put a little bit of extra money on this particular car, because the next customer is gonna be super happy with it. Okay, here we go. I'm going on my 10th minute. This is my last final look at this beautiful 2007 Ford Crown Victoria. Now guys, just so you know, I'm getting a lot of feedback and comments on my YouTube here that my cars are getting expensive. I am sorry about that, but the cars are getting expensive here for us here in California. and that's because we do have a lot of online bidding and a lot of local bidding here, and everybody's fighting to get these cars now. I don't know why, but people are fighting to get these cars now. All right, here we go. Hey guys, so here she is. Guys, just so you know, for those of you that caught it, it looks like the corner lights right here, the little light bulbs 194 NA, they're burnt out. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those right now once I'm done with this video, and they're gonna be running. Everything is gonna be up and running in this particular car. Those light bulbs do turn out, they do burn out often, so I do have them here. They're pretty easy to replace, and I will go ahead and take care of it. Don't you worry about that. All right, here we go. Thank you for looking. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend. God bless, and thank you for watching. Take care. Oops, not that button.